Not gonna lie, guys, a little spooked right now. It's kind of bright out here for being almost like 10 at night. There's lots of thunder. You can't really tell, but the sky is bright right now, just for the fact that there's lightning. Hoping to get a flash. I love thunderstorms. Cold weather kind of guy. Oh. See all the houses down there. Whew. How's your guys' day been? Mine's been pretty good. Because there's lightning and thunder. And I love thunder and lightning and all that jazz. Sky's getting a little brighter. I was gonna burp. I'm gonna throw up doing that. There we go. My brother's yelling in his room. Probably playing League of Legends. Come on. I know you're out there. Okay, so the lights turned off over there and it freaked me out. Ooh. There's a light up there. Don't know why someone's in my room. Unless the lightning turned it on. Ooh, lightning spooky, guys. That's cool. Ooh. I'm gonna spook out. I'm getting on sides. I'm spooked.